you two champions, welcome to day 9 of 21 days challenge to get 95% in your second PUC board exams. So as part of today's challenge, I have given you two chapters for revision, ray optics and optical instruments from physics and application of derivatives from maths. So you need to revise these two chapters and practice its most important questions from the PDF I have provided. If you haven't downloaded yet, the link is there in the description section. So click on the link, visit the page and download the most important questions PDF and practice these questions thoroughly. Okay, now in this video I will be giving you the most important questions from chapter application of derivatives from mathematics. Okay, so now let's start, and before starting we'll understand one very important thing, that to help you to be in track with this 21 days challenge, I have prepared a study tracker for all of you, and the link of this study tracker is also there in the description section. And now let me please remind you that you have to create a copy of this and then you have to utilize it. You should not be trying to download it or try to edit it. Okay, now let's see the blueprint of this chapter. So this chapter is like 8 marks is the weightage. You will get 3 1 marker questions, 1 2 marker question and 1 3 marker question. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 is 8. There is no 5 marker question from this particular chapter. Now students, there's very important announcement for all of you. You know that only 75 days are left for your KCET 2026 examination. Now in KCET, if you want a top rank, you want seats in the top colleges, then only studying will not help. Okay, to crack this exam with a very good rank, you need to practice test series, which is very important for your preparation. So to help you with this, I have launched Fighter KCET 2026 test series. This is exactly based on KCET pattern and syllabus and is designed by KCET experts. There are total of 18 full-length mock tests, 6 each from physics, chemistry and maths. You will be getting detailed solutions, video solutions for chemistry, and the most important thing is a very good analysis report after every test, which will help you to understand which are your weak areas where you need to improve on. Right, and now we have this whole thing is available at a very affordable price of just rupees 399, and if you want to purchase, the link is there in the description section, so please go and check it. Okay, now let's move to the 2 marker question. So mostly you will be having, okay, I have given answers also with these questions, so you can practice and check your answers. So the first question is like this: a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 10 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? Next, the radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase in its circumference? Next, so that the function f given by fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x is increasing on R. Next, find the interval in which the function given by this is increasing. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 15 and the sum of whose squares is minimum. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Next, find the local maximum and local minima of the function x cube minus 3x. Also find the local maximum and the local minimum values. Now we will see question number 8. Find the absolute maximum and minimum values of the function fx is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36 plus x plus 1 on the interval 1 and 5. So if you calculate this, the absolute maximum value will be 56 at x is equal to 5 and the absolute minimum value will be 24 at x is equal to 1. Next, find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and the sum of whose cubes is minimum. Okay, so the answer for this one is 8 and 8. Now coming to the model question papers questions that are asked in the 2 marker section. Now these model question papers are of 25 and 26. Okay, so the question here is find the interval in which the function given by x square plus 2x minus 5 is strictly increasing. You can see this question is very similar to the question number 4 that we have discussed. Next, find the rate of change of area of the circle with respect to radius r at r is equal to 6 centimeter. So we also have discussed a question like this where we are talking about the circumference, and in model question paper they have asked you about area. Okay, next find the function, prove the function f given by x square minus e to the power of minus x is increasing in the range of 0 to 2. This is similar to question number 24. Okay, now we will see 3 marker questions. Okay, the first question here is a particle moves along the curve c6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate, means y should be equal to 8x. That is what you have to find out. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter, y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of area of the rectangle. This is a very, I can say, most repeated question, so you definitely need to practice this. Next, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of perimeter of the rectangle. This was with respect to area. This is with respect to perimeter. Answer is minus 2 centimeter per minute. Next, the volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 9 cubic centimeter per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 10 centimeter? Okay, so you have to calculate all this, practice these 4 questions, and now we will see the questions that has been asked in the model question paper in the 3 marker section. Find the positive numbers whose sum is 15 and the sum of whose squares is minimum. So we have solved, I can show you, we have just discussed a similar question in the 2 marker section. Uh, you can see here, find the numbers whose sum is 24, product is r. You can find the two positive numbers whose sum is 15 and the sum of whose squares is minimum. Okay, so that is what is here. Next, find the intervals in which the function f given by this equation is strictly decreasing. Okay, we have seen questions for increasing. Now here it is asked for decreasing. Next, find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of a function given on the interval 1:5. So this is the exact question that we have discussed also. So you have to solve certain similar questions, and it is not very difficult questions. So do not leave this chapter. Do practice its important questions. These questions, if you do, that will be enough. After that, you can just keep practicing similar questions if you are not yet confident. Okay, just to clear your concepts. So that's all in this video, my dear children. And as I told you, only 75 days are left for your KCET 2026 examination. And if you really want to get a top rank and want to secure your seat in the top colleges of Karnataka, then please trust me that if you only study, the things are not going to happen. You need to study as well as write at least 5 to 6 mock tests per subject. Okay, this is very important, so that you will learn about time management, your weak areas. So to help you with all this, I have started, or I have launched, the Fighter KCET 2026 series, which is a perfect test series for all of you. Why it is perfect is because it is based on the KCET pattern, KCET syllabus, and it is designed by KCET experts, those who have been teaching KCET for a very long period of time. Next one, here you will be getting 18 mock tests, 6 each from physics, chemistry and maths. Now see, solving too many mock tests is also not good. You should be solving quantity. Good quality mock test is more important than quantity. So 6 is a very good number. And after that, you will be getting detailed solutions for all of this test. For chemistry, of course, you will be getting video solutions by me. And the best part is you will be getting the proper analysis report of your performance. After every test, you will be getting a test analysis where you can understand which is your weak area, which is your strong area, where you need to improve, what are your strong points, where you took more time, where you took less time, how to manage time. So all these insights you will get, and that will help you to improve your performance. And now the most interesting part is all these things is available at a very affordable price of just rupees 399. Okay, and I think that this much amount everybody can invest for their career, right? So if you are searching for a good relevant test series for your exams, do not miss this opportunity. The link is there in the description section. So please go and buy this test series as soon as possible, because the prices may go higher after some time. Okay, so children, this is all about in this video, where we have talked about the most important questions from applications of derivatives. Okay, now I hope you have to download these questions and practice as much as possible, and make sure that you are doing it like how you should be writing in the exam. Please practice it accordingly, and all the best. Keep learning, keep shining, keep working hard, and stay tuned for the next day challenge. Thank you so much, and all the best.